Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing with colors, and if you can tell, the color I'm playing with is lilac. I always wanted to play with this color. I always loved this color, and today I finally sat down and I was so inspired that I just grabbed my palettes or whatever lilac I have and I just did this. If you want to see how I did it and what I've used, just keep on watching. I already have my eyelids prepped with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I didn't set my concealer on my eyelids with anything. I just want to apply the color straight away on top of this tacky surface so it's more intense. Starting off with the Sleek palette and this nice kind of lilac-y purpley color here and Zoeva 227 brush. So I'm building this color into my crease and then I'm going to blend that out, but first I just want to build up the color. So I'm also extending it out a little bit towards the tail of my brow. And repeating the same step a few times just to get more intensity. So I'm not trying to blend this straight away, I just want to build the color first and then I'm going to blend that out. So next I'm taking Makeup Atelier palette in number 5 and I'm going in with this super light pink shade. You can use any pink shade you have, and I'm just gonna diffuse the edges of this dark purple color just on the very top, ever so gently, just to make it more blended out and smoky. So I'm literally just catching the very edge of this purple and applying this pink color. So now once I'm finished with these steps, I'm next going into Color Tattoo from Maybelline in color Endless Purple. Is the cream eyeshadow. This will be a great base for my next color. So I'm just using a little fluffy brush to apply this onto my lid and just literally gently swiping it on my mobile lid, and I'm stopping at my crease. I'm not applying this any higher than that, and then doing the same for the other eye. And next I'm taking this Inglot pigment. This one is in color 112. It's a nice lilac shade, and I'm applying this with the flat brush, just literally pressing that onto my lid where I applied the cream eyeshadow. You can see how vibrant and nice this pigment is. It's gorgeous. Then I'm going back with my Zoeva brush I've used before, 227, and just gently brushing everything together, blending everything together in my crease. So my previous eyeshadows are kind of merged together with this beautiful pigment. I'm going back to the cream eyeshadow again from Maybelline, and I'm taking angle brush and a little bit of this product, and I'm going to apply that underneath my lower lash line. This will act again as a base for pigment I'm gonna apply next. So I'm going from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner with this, and then I'm applying a little bit of that same pigment from Inglot on top of that. And then going back to the Zoeva brush and that pink shade from Atelier palette and blending underneath. It looks kind of crazy right now, but it will all come together, I hope. To brighten up my eyes even more, I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury Nude eye pencil and applying that into my waterline. Next I'm taking Makeup Forever Diamond Dust powder and highlighting the inner parts of my eye. Just to add a little sparkle to my eyes, I'm just taking little diamond powder glitter from Makeup Forever, and I'm applying this using a dampened brush and just pressing this little glitter particles on the center of my eyelids. And next it's time to do a big black eyeliner. So first I'm mapping out where my liner is gonna go, so just the tail of my liner. And then I'm taking my Mistine liquid liner and doing a line on the lid. So I applied some mascara and huge eyelashes, and now it's time to apply some mascara on the bottom part of the lashes, and the key here is to load as much mascara as possible on the bottom part just to balance out the top and the bottom. These fake eyelashes are insanely huge, but I think they just really add something to the look. And these are the baby doll lashes in 3D, and it's a style 730. And here it is. I've just applied a little bit of a nude lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, Pure Hollywood, and we're done. So as you can see, this eye look was super easy and quick, just few colors, and this is how we look. I absolutely enjoyed creating this look. I think it's super fun, and at the same time it's quite intense. Maybe not for your everyday going out. It's not that we're going out these days anyways, but sure. I actually wanted to play with this color for a very long time, and now since I have more time, I thought why not? Yeah, let me know what you think of this look. Would you recreate it? And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all keeping well and safe, and thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you all in my next video next Friday.